Welcome to Keto Lab's How to series. Today you're diving into how to use Microsoft Fabric, SQL for interactive analytics. If you have a table in your Lakehouse, you can easily query it using the SQL Analytics Endpoint. In the previous video, you learned how to create and set up Microsoft Fabric Lakehouses and created a table. Today we'll continue using that same table. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, make sure to check it out in the description. Now, sign into your Microsoft Fabric app and let's get started. Click on the drop-down menu at the top right corner where the Lakehouse name and symbol are displayed. Select SQL Analytics Endpoint from the drop-down. A new page will open where you can query the data using Spark SQL. To begin, click on the plus sign in the bottom of the page and then select SQL Query to open a new query notebook. To retrieve all data from the table, type the command as shown on the screen. After writing the query, click on Run. The table data will appear in the results. You can follow similar steps to run other queries. In this instructional video, few more data querying activities are demonstrated with comments in green, providing context for each query. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching.